Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial from Trick Channel. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to save audio files that are sent to you on WhatsApp or you send to others and have them as audio files in your phone memory. If you want to learn this tutorial, follow the video. To do this, we enter the WhatsApp application and enter the T that someone sent us a message or we sent it to someone. Here we consider the audio that was sent. To save the file, just select the file and click on the three dots from the top and select the copy option. In this section, we copy this file into a folder of the phone memory. For example, I select the WhatsApp voice folder. And in this section I copy my file. If you have not liked the video so far, be sure to like this video now and subscribe to our channel. Well, now to convert this file to an audio file, it is enough to enter the S File Explorer program. We enter the desired folder. And we select this file that we copied and play this file with a sound spinner. But to convert this file to mp3 format and convert it to an audio file, all you have to do is select the file and select the rename option and change it to the desired name. And in the next part, we will completely delete the format of this file and add an mp3 to it, and as you can see, this file is an audio file that we can play with programs that play audio. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. Please like this video to support us and send it to your friends. Subscribe to our channel, and if you have any training, please write to us in the comments so that we can prepare the training for you. Goodbye.